Glitch.
You're giving it away.
We're doing a glitch today. This throne will take us straight to the end. But first, we get a throne. Then we turn off anchor. Then we also turn the throne off anchor. Now, we're gonna put a cannon on top for good measure. Then, we're gonna put a pole right here. This will give us momentum through hope to make it to the end. We'll put a light here, and then a fork here. Wait, that's not a fork. Whoops. Then we put some chests here, and I think we're almost ready to go. But first, I can't get in. Got it. Why this game gets so realistic? I turn off anchored. Oh no, it all fell. But don't worry, it's still there in our minds.
Now this is the part where you kidnap me. Come on. No, yes. No, wrong target. You got it. No.
Wow! It just summoned this huge ball, and now we're about to be at the end. Wow! One little phone turned into amazing dreams, and we get a feature from the legend himself. High five! Look at the ball I got. I know you can't talk. That's why I'm doing this. I just got a huge ball from the throne because my dreams were so big that they became true. Always believe in yourself and follow your dreams. No, it wasn't recording, guys. It wasn't recording.